Hi there, I'm Corey McCain, CEO of WeStrive, and I'm going to walk you through this FAQ. WeStrive calendar templates will allow you to take your automation to the next level by building entire calendars full of programs, habits, nutrition goals, and more, and then assigning them to your clients instantly. We'll start by adding your first calendar. I'm going to add a fitness program that I want all of my new clients to follow. And then I'm going to want progress photos from clients every Monday. Sweet. From there, I want to send out weekly surveys, but let's actually make that every 2 weeks on Wednesday. To finish off this calendar, I really want to focus on nutrition. I want my clients to have 2,750 calories every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for the next 4 weeks. Actually, let's have them have a little bit of fun on this third Friday, and I'm going to adjust the calories a little bit. Let's go ahead and save that and now assign it to some clients. Let's let all of our weight loss clients have this plan and push save. It's as simple as that. Now, every client with the weight loss tab has this full calendar. And there you have it. If you have any questions, please reach out at help@westrive.com. Have an amazing day, and don't forget to keep striving.